Hey guys, this is the 25th February, and I realized a lot of good stuff about myself, and just wanted to share that. And I didn't need any open, but I just walked today, and what happens is that so what so what so what happened today is that I just watched a lot of like from yesterday. I just watched lot of YouTube time and not like dumb videos, and I just realized that what's happening is that I'm just getting overworked, and then for chill, like just to chill, relax. My brain, like the marketing of this YouTube and Netflix is so strong that I just make this connection is that chill is equal to like watching this like YouTube or Netflix, and it's like it's just like I'm not thinking about it myself that what I want to do. And definitely, like if I'm overworked, when anyone is overworked, then the good thing is to sleep or just relax or just keep the phone on, because the phone is gonna take your energy. Watching YouTube, you're analyzing something or just laughing, that also takes energy. So it's a good way to just stay with yourself. Then you just make a fun or something like that. That's good. But just watching it and just binge watching, that's like it just takes energy, and then you just pass out. And that's a pattern that I have seen a lot of time in myself, and it just usually come after like overwork, and it doesn't serve purpose. So I just made this rule that what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just walk, or I'm gonna sleep, or I'm gonna go out, or I'm gonna watch Mark video. It's like useful for me, and that's it. It's also the same when you just come out. I also seen that let's say when you're not rested, when you're just like everywhere, you just watch videos and you just binge watch, then you're not focused in this also. It's like what I'm doing is that my main goal is to open, but before that I have to clean this whatever stuff that I have, and it takes some time, so I can't waste my energy on like this dumb shit. And that's what I have realized, and this is very loud. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna just follow that, and if I wanna relax, then I just can relax, because it just takes like a lot of energy to just move towards your goal. Like, for example, you just like here, you just go back, and then you just have to put more energy just to stay there, and that's like very difficult. It just becomes difficult after some point, and that's what I realized. I just like gonna focus on my shit, not gonna deviate distraction. This other things are distractions, and let's see how it goes. And what else have I realized? Also, I have realized one more thing is that, for example, let's say you want to do something, and or let's say you want to become something. You want to become someone who who makes other chase, and like for a set, or let's say you want to make someone chase, and like I have this tendency to just I can't stay with not chasing. I just like can't, and I just like chase back very hard. And what happens at that time, if you want to become like this, like just become like this, because I've seen with me that I just like when there's a space, I just like jump back to just chase the other person, and detrimental. It's like not. I know from fact that it's not working, and so if I want to become like this person, then I have to like just become that person. I don't have to think about it, analyze, and then just go, then just do it. There's no other way around it. Just like no, I'm just not gonna chase a lot, and then I'm just gonna fed up and then not chase. That's also one of the option, but it's not efficient, and it's actually a good option for opening, but it's not a good option for chasing and like this kind of stuff. You just have to stop. You just have to deal with that thing that you're not chasing or no one is chasing, and you have to deal with this uncertainty, and that's it. Just stay with it. But anyway, this is like what I realized today. I'm going to end this video now. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.